Tornado warning happening right here. That is a tornado cloud. That is so not looking good.
That only goes off when there's a tornado on the ground, so where the hell is it?
It looks like it's way back there.
That's possible.
That is not looking good at all. My heart's actually pumping. Whoa. Woo. This is like the ugliest sky I've ever seen. I don't feel safe here. Can we please?
Not yet.
Look at how it's... You see that?
Better him than me.
I missed the kitty. Oh, now it's starting to rain.
Run for your lives! We're all gonna die! You're gonna go tape it? Oh, we've been taping it the whole time, man. Yeah,
Did you see that circulation up there?
Oh yeah, we can see it.
Good
I was out there a minute ago. It was pretty wicked.
Did anybody actually see one yet?
Well, they said there's one over there at Fuller Brush.
Oh, really?
Fuller Brush and Dundee Road.
Really? That's where we're going.
Go get blown away, dude.
All right, later.
All right. Where exactly are we going?
It's kind of tough.
Why, they have a basement?
Yeah, kids are safe.
Oh, they're here. Wow.
Go in.
Oh, okay.
Come on in.
Oh, yeah. It's two different colors.
They said they saw one.
Hello, family.
Hello.
How are you? Is that baby too? Oh, you hear that? You're getting older. What's up, Logan? What's on your head? A Band-Aid. Did Toby beat you up?
It is.
No, I'm an imposter. Zion.
Go downstairs now. That fucker's coming.
Oh,
Hell. We're going.
Oh,
Come on, Logan.
we're actually hiding. This ain't good.
They just kicked out there bad.
Kids.
We're gonna lose power, guys.
Yep.
We don't have a light, do we, Toad? We got a flashlight
Go,
upstairs?
go, come on.
Go get in there and stand there. Don't
Go.
come out, Billy.
Come on. Sadie, come here.
All the trees down in your front fucking yard.
What?
What?
All the trees in your yard are gone. Oh, I swear to God. I swear to God. They are gone.
Is it on the ground?
It's on the ground right outside these freaking houses, man.
Here.
Our canopy's about ready to go.
Oh, Jesus. What? Oh.
Max and Sadie, come here.
There's a candle. This is actually the first time I'm scared of a tornado.
Well, we're gonna have to wait, buddy. There's a little bit of...
Very little button in here. Come on. Oh. Now all the lights just went out.
I don't have a,
I got a little...
do you have a lighter?
No. I smoked, Toby.
Well...
Come on. That's okay. I got a little...
The light from that.
Yeah, light from the camera. Yo, you crazy bunghole, get down here. Okay, I'm gonna turn you down.
Honey, the lights on. The electricity's on.
Hey, Logan.
Did you guys talk to Stacy?
Yeah, she's still at work.
I can't.
What happened
You need
to
a
your
potty?
I just want to play.
head? Logan, you can't play your game. Obviously.
Oh, what was that?
What happened to your head, bud?
What was that?
Did it get to your nerves? Who's that?
Oh.
Holy shit. Bro. I can really look at it. There it is. Tree's gone. Here's what's left of it. Dude, it even blew your grass out of the ground. Oh, you're planting new stuff, ain't you? Holy shit. Dude, a dove just flew up onto a branch out of your yard. That was so majestic.